Hey you guys, welcome back to my channel. Today we're going to be doing an all shade of purple lipstick shaped set with 3D flowers. Alrighty, so let's get right into this video. I've applied my nail tips already. I'm currently just cutting down the tips down to like a coffin shape, and then next I'm going in with my stock scissors and I'm going to cut out the sides just like that so that I can get that perfect lipstick shape. Sorry you guys. Alright, so if you want to get your shape correctly, you really want to try to make sure that what I did was I just marked a certain part of my nail tips and then I sort of eyeballed cutting it. Alright, so it's really easy. The great thing about this shape is it doesn't require so much like filing. I think what it does require though is precision, so there's that as well to worry about. Okay, so I had to go off the voiceover for a second because my phone started ringing. But then what you want to do now, or what I'm doing now, is just just etching off the free edge just a little bit so that it is perfect. And I'm just going to do this to all of the nails. Like I said, this shape doesn't require so much but it does require precision. So I'm just etching off that free edge properly with my file, and then I'm going to go straight into application. So I'm done. Free edge has been etched properly and that shape is looking crazy. All right, so these are my powders. Many of it are self-mixed except the one that I used for my thumb just now, and I'm going to speed my way through the application process. If you want to see a more detailed tutorial on how to do an application, like an acrylic application, I would link my previous video in the cards so you guys can check it out later. It's more detailed and it's on a less speed setting. Okay, so just watch the application you guys. It's really easy. I speed through it. The reason I decided to show all the application is because most people would want to see the different shades of colors of like purple series and stuff. So yeah, and then my powders, like I said earlier, they are all self-mixed except for the one I used on my thumb. So somehow I think I didn't get like the white and clear ratio right or something. I really don't know. I just feel like probably some brands do not mix together with others. I think there's that as well to worry about, but this is why I've never actually done a tutorial on how to mix your own powders, because I'm not still very great at mixing it. As you guys can see, some of them sort of marble in a way. I kind of have to pat the powder so much to get rid of that like two-tone effect. Like you see, this one does have like the two-tone effect. So I sort of have to pat my powder quite a lot to sort of mix it up to get rid of the two-tone effect. But yeah, just watch the video you guys. I'll meet you when it's time to file one of the nails. Yeah, and then I'll come back again when I want to do my 3D art. Okay, so really quickly, if this is your first time watching my video, then welcome once again. Yeah, I do post videos. I do nail tutorials actually, and then probably anything else that interests me, which I will upload really soon. I just haven't had the time to do any other thing aside from nails, to be fair. So yeah, but you can just hit that subscribe button so that you know when I upload a video. I mean, I might just upload something really nice or something different actually very soon. So just hit that subscribe button so you don't miss any of my videos. Alrighty, guys, we're done with the application process, and I'm totally blown away. I so love the color shades, really much. Okay, so let me just show you guys how I filed this one. We're just going to speed through me filing this one finger, and then we move on to what's it called, to the 3D flowers. Okay, but it's my normal filing routine. I'm using 100 grit file, and yeah, filing my own hand takes a lot of time for me, which is why I don't like to show the entire process. And then to crisp up that free edge, that lipstick free edge, I'm just going to place my hand on a yeah, that works, my powder surface works, and then I'm just going to, yeah, crisp that up. I sort of tapered all of the nail shapes so that it's not exactly like a perfect square. I sort of wanted my shape to taper to a coffin and then still like have that slanted free edge. But yeah, I overfiled my thumb in a corner there, but I just sort of use a rhinestone to cover it. I'm usually not very particular about blinging my thumb or doing anything, you know, anything crazy on my thumbs. I really do not know why. But right now I'm just applying top coat, and I use the one from CHB Luxury Store I showed earlier on. And okay, so because I'm not, like I don't plan to keep this set on for long, I applied my rhinestones directly to my top coat, and I'm just going to cure these in the lamp, and then we'll come back and start our 3D flowers. Now I usually like to apply my flowers directly over my already top coat nails, and I'm using this white powder from CHB Luxury Store. It is their brand. I will try to leave, no, I will leave their link, sorry, in the description box, so you can check out when like whatever they have. I think they also have an app and a website, so you can order from there. You don't have to like go to their store physically. Or I'm making use of my size 4 nail brush, also from CHB Luxury. This is not a sponsored video. I just buy stuff from them because they have really great products, you guys. And it's really just close to me, actually. Their store is not too far. It's convenient for me to like go in there. But yeah, I really don't know how to explain how to do these flowers. I just sort of pat them, and but to be very honest, this white powder this powder is really great. I don't know if you guys can sort of see, but usually when I work with white powders, like, because the ones they sell here in Nigeria, many of them are unbranded, so I really don't know. But the problem with white powder, the reason I don't like to work with white powder is because it's usually very runny. But this one like behaves like a normal powder, if there's anything like that. Like, you guys can see, it still holds its form, and then when you place the bead and you have to work with it, it's like totally workable. So I think that also just contributed to making my 3D art like really nice for this set. So yeah, you can order from them, you guys. They've got really nice products. Yeah, I'm just going to work my way with this powder. I'll let you guys watch, because I really don't know how to explain how to do like the petals. I just sort of do them. So yeah, watch, you guys, and then I'll come back like when we're done with this. Alrighty guys, I'm done with the flower, but it was looking a bit too simple, so I added some tiny rhinestones and then some micro beads as well, just to give it a little bit of a extraness. And yeah, that's it. I cured that in the lamp because I had to put some top coat in there, but cured that in the lamp, and now I'm just applying cuticle oil, and I'm going to show you guys the final result. So thank you all for watching. I really hope you guys like it. This is like one of the most amazing sets that I've done. I'm so in love with the color. Let me know what you think, which of the shades are your favorite, and yeah, I'll see you in my next video. You guys stay safe, give this video a thumbs up, and bye.